Okay, so this is the market review for the first trading day in 2018. Got a big gap down here on the XY, so I'm not particularly sure what's happening there. So I'm just going to move on. But yeah, as we have been bearish the dollar towards the back of the last year, I think I'm comfortable to stick with that bias. So let's see if we get any confluence with that. Okay, so yen looks like we could be putting in a bottom. Now, for that to be confirmed, I'd want to see a swing, 3-bar swing in place. Otherwise, there's some targets all the way down here. So we're just going to get a continuation. So I'll mark those out for shorts on dollar yen. Okay, for Euro USD, the target's up here. Anything down into here can give us an opportunity to get back on board to the upside. Swissy, okay, we're at the bottom of this range that I've mapped out now. Have we taken out the lows? It looks like it. So, you know, what we could get is for them to reload back up to here before continuing. With pound, there's still some upside stops. So we're still bullish. There's nothing that really at the moment tells us to go against that bias. Euro GBP is just consolidating. You've got this structure in place, and you've also got this one up here. So you know, if we break lower, there's all of this fill in. Otherwise, there's all of this upside targets. So I think it's just about waiting and seeing which way they want to take it. But I think the best thing we can probably do is actually just mark out the range and see what happens from there. Okay, with the Aussie, are we slowing down? Potentially, even though I still maintain a bullish bias on this currency. Anything down into here would be good, but no immediate focus for me now, apart from, you know, wanting to head up into here somewhere to the upside. What range are we in? I'm going to use this one. Okay. So inside this range, this was the deviation. And this, when we close above here, it said to me that we want to take out these stops. So getting on board is going to be difficult. So we could take the intraday setups. Otherwise, anything back into here or here gives us an opportunity to get long, to take out the objectives up here. Aussie Kiwi doesn't really tell me. Well, it does actually. With this price action here, it could tell me that Aussie is going to be weaker than the Kiwi. So if they're going to lift anything, Kiwi would be the one to take. Moving into CAD, you know, if I get another green candle here, then I've got my swing in place, and I could look for a bullish PA to take this up, at least up to somewhere in this vicinity before continuation to the downside. Interesting price action on the S&P, but we're not really going to be trading that. With oil, there's nothing on the weekly that tells me to short this market. So we still have a bullish bias, and there's all of these stops that need to be taken. So there's that one. There we go. So we know that there's some stops there that need to get taken. And I mapped out the targets there. Okay, good. Similar with gold, you know, on the weekly, there's absolutely nothing that tells me to short this market. And the same on the daily. So we're still bullish on the gold market. And that's the market review for today.